Lack of ICT infrastructure in both the urban and the rural area, which attributes limitation of access to ICT services, have necessitated intervention of the Tanzania government to build national ICT broadband backbone infrastructure. This enabling approach wants to ensure that ICT is diffused into masses at all levels, enabling maximization of benefits and welfare to Tanzanian citizens. The Nictbb objectives are meant for realizing the government's ambitious vision of becoming a regional ICT hub for the region. This would require first that affordable and ubiquitous ICT services are developed domestically and that these can be leveraged for global competitiveness. The government therefore has already constructed a nationwide fiber optic cable with nearly 7,600 kilometers, which covers both the urban and rural areas with a view to create equal access to ICT services by the citizen.
We want to build national ICT backbone infrastructure throughout Tanzania in order to make sure that everybody in this country has access to this technology and has access to internet. By doing that, we're going to improve the life of our people.
The backbone will enable Tanzania to achieve its vision of making the country a hub of ICT infrastructure and ICT solutions, and therefore transforming Tanzania into a knowledge-based society. The infrastructure facilitates availability of internet services throughout the country. The National ICT Infrastructure Backbone is the strategic vehicle of facilitating implementation of e-government, e-health, e-commerce, and e-education initiatives, with the view of reducing poverty and accelerates socio-economic growth in the country.
As I explained earlier on, that the Open University of Tanzania has centers located throughout the country, but we also, at this point in time, we have students in all the East African countries of Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda, and Burundi.
We have discussed with TTCL and got all our branches connected via fiber right up to the doorstep, and the improvement which that has made to our operations is immeasurable.
Tanzania is geographically and strategically positioned, linking up with the Indian Ocean submarine cables at their landing points in Dar es Salaam for international connectivity to the neighboring countries, with the Nictbb providing the required terrestrial backhaul capacity.
As I've said in many other occasions, my ambition is to see ICT anchored in all sectors of the Tanzanian national economy and in all communities and in all actions. Most importantly, we are building this infrastructure for our present and for our future, for the children of our children's children.
By making Tanzania a strategic ICT hub, the National ICT Broadband Backbone is promoting trade within and outside Tanzania by linking it to all neighboring countries of Rwanda, Burundi, Zambia, Uganda, Malawi, Kenya, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, while facilitating delivery of security services, good governance, and e-commerce in various forms. The National ICT Broadband Backbone has opened new opportunities for the landlocked and other countries bordering with Tanzania. As an ICT enabling tool, the backbone offers connectivity services to telecom operators in the neighboring countries of Malawi, Zambia, Rwanda, Burundi, Kenya, and Uganda. And construction plans are underway to connect Mozambique and thus make Tanzania a real ICT hub. Other Nictbb projects currently in progress includes construction of more links, metro fibers, and establishment of data centers. All are aiming at making Tanzania a hub of ICT services. While the world is embracing change in the digital world, the National ICT Broadband Backbone is becoming an enabling tool for the changes and a facility for the socio-economic transformation of Tanzania. Availability of the ICT infrastructures and access to ICT services, which are powered by the National ICT Broadband Backbone, creates a favorable environment for investors willing to invest in the education sector, health sector, banking industry, tourism sector, agriculture and other areas of interest. Regulations, investment requirements, the prevailing country's peaceful environment, the growing economy and others are strong factors which supports investors to come and invest.